Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So lately I've seen that hand painted candles and like candles with dried flowers on them are like really popular right now, but they're also kind of like really expensive. So I wanted to try to make some of my own using Dollar Tree candles. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay guys, so here are my Dollar Tree candles. You get a set of 2 of them for $1.25, and these ones have kind of like a vanilla-y color to them. I feel like the camera's making them look a little bit more yellow than they actually are. We're going to start out by painting some black hearts onto our first candle. For this, I'm using a dotting tool, and if you don't have one, they do sell them at the craft section at Dollar Tree. And then I'm just using regular acrylic paint that I got from Joanns that was like 80 cents to do this. Don't worry about your hearts being like perfect because this project is super forgiving, but right here I messed this one up pretty bad, so I'm just taking a damp napkin to rub off the paint and it comes off completely. Yeah guys, so just add as many or as few hearts as you want. It's completely up to you. Okay guys, so here's my first candle done and it looks pretty good and none of my hearts were like perfect. So yeah, let's just move on to our next candle. For this candle, I'm going to be using this tool right here. I have no idea what it's called, but it came in like a clay toolkit that I got. So I'm going to be drawing on little flowers and I'm going to be using multiple colors to give this like a fun, bright spring feel to it. And once again, don't stress about your flowers being perfect. Like I said before, this project is extremely forgiving. Here's our second candle done. For our third candle, I'm going to be painting on little mushrooms because I'm obsessed with them. I'm going to start out by painting on the mushroom caps. Now I'm drawing on the stem. Lastly, I'm just dotting on some of the little scales on the caps. And there we go, we have our little mushrooms on our candle, and I think this one is super cute. Okay guys, so for our last candle, we're going to be adding dried flowers to it. Taking a dried flower, I'm just painting some clear glue onto it. Now that it's fully saturated, I'm going to press this onto the candle. And then here, I'm just taking some more of my clear glue and I'm adding it to the edges of the flower to make sure that it's really glued on there. I'm going to add one more dried flower to the other side of the candle. And yeah guys, that was it. The dried flowers stayed really well on the candle. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment, and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!